Welcome back to the channel, guys.
And welcome to all the new people. Yes, to the new people.
Yes, so we had a bit of an accident.
You wouldn't think by the way we started this video.
No. I have to be enthusiastic, you know.
Roll with the punches.
So on Monday we decided to have a bit of a date night and we went down to Bray, very close to us. We started off, we had a nice evening, started off, went to the amusements, had a lot of fun. Yes! That was good crack.
Good fun.
Yeah, I bet Lee on the ski balls. Okay. Oh!
I slaughtered Lee in basketball.
We're not making a pass to high score anyway.
And Space Invaders.
And absolutely annihilated Space Invaders. She may as well put the screen I was shooting for.
But yeah, it was a good evening and yeah, then disaster struck. We decided we'd get a bit of drone footage. So we were sitting on the beach, just getting a bit of drone footage before we went into the Martello for dinner, and...
Aircraft not connected to RC? What?
Exactly. So I was controlling it, put up my hand, and I literally hopped up, ran to where like the last place it was, and there was some guy like running off with it. I was like, hold on, where are you going? That's mine, come back. And I know he was like, oh yeah, it's a bit broken, and he gave it to me, and the gimbal was like, the camera was like hanging off the gimbal. So yeah, that's fun.
Now we had to send it back now to Holland to DJI to get fixed.
Luckily enough, we had
Insurance
with DJI, so we
Care Refresh or something.
Care Refresh, yeah. So luckily enough, we can send it off and get a new one. Only problem is we're going away.
Today.
We don't have a
Drone.
but however, luckily enough there wasn't any really bad damage. Like everything still works on the drone. It's just that it snapped off the gimbal. So
if we wanted to, we could still put it up. We could still record. It's just the footage will be.
Yeah.
Like
I had the idea that it might be a good idea to strap the GoPro to it, but we decided to just get it sent off as quick as possible. So it's getting collected today. But yeah, so when that happened, I was a bit sad. I had a bit of a cry.
A little bit of a cry.
A bit of a cry. I'm an emotional person, okay?
I was consoling you the whole time, being like, what are you crying for? There's nothing we can do.
I know, but I'm an emotional person. But so yeah, decided to go drown my sorrows over a few pints in the Martello.
In the space of time that I had my first point, Leah was on to her fourth.
My second.
No, you were on to your fourth.
I had 2 pints.
2.
And a margarita. I did have a good margarita. And I ordered it through my phone and it came to the table. Magic, really.
And we weren't in Witherspoons either.
Oh, you're in the Martello. Ordered through my phone, paid for it through my phone. And she just came down and she went, margarita? Oh yeah, that's for me.
Mercury buckets.
Yeah. So anyway, drone's gone, dead, bye, see you later, sayonara. But on the plus side, we are going away today, so keep an eye out on the next few videos because a good bit in store.
Yeah, I think you're gonna like where we go.
Especially if you're a Game of Thrones fan.
Winter is coming.
So yeah, I'm going to get packed and set off in the car.
There you go. As always, like, subscribe, and hit that ding 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 bell. Ba 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 ba. You dig.
We will see you in the next one.